Symptoms of a bad AC condenser. Many drivers simply can't live without air conditioning, especially on a hot summer day. If you're one of those drivers, then having a busted AC probably sounds like the worst thing, maybe even worse than gridlock traffic, that could happen to you on your daily commutes. When the AC condenser begins to fail, it will manifest certain symptoms that you should be able to spot. The issue is that many of these signs also present themselves with other malfunctioning parts. So, how do you tell it's a bad AC condenser? Well, let's find out. 1. Air conditioning isn't as cold as it should be. A reduction in cooling is your first sign that something isn't right. If there's damage to the condenser in any way, the refrigerant flow may be restricted. It's also possible for the condenser fins to become damaged or obstructed, thereby reducing the performance of both the condenser and the entire AC system. Finally, if the condenser develops leaks, that can lead to a low refrigerant charge and poor AC performance. 2. AC leaks occur. If your AC condenser is bad, you may notice a gradual loss of cooling ability in your AC system. This is a normal occurrence due to damage or age, resulting in refrigerant leakage. Leaks in the AC condenser are often not visible unless closely inspected. However, if trace dye has been added to the AC system at some point, the leak will be noticeable as a bright green fluid. Always be aware of the color of the leaking fluids in your vehicle, as they can vary. Otherwise, without dye in the system, all you're likely to see is a faint outline of refrigerant oil. 3. Air conditioning doesn't work at all. When the condenser isn't operating correctly, the pressure in your system may remain too high. The vehicle automatically shuts down the system when this happens to prevent further damage. Also, if the condenser is leaking, the refrigerant charge may become low enough that the AC doesn't work at all. These are the 3 symptoms that you will notice when you have a faulty AC condenser. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and drive safely.